So for the first trade, I just follow the trend. If the price is going up, I choose call, and if it's going down, I go with put. In this chart over here, for example, I would definitely choose call since the price is clearly going up. Once I've placed my trade, I just need to wait 60 seconds to find out whether my trade was successful or not. After 1 minute, I have two options. Option 1, my trade was successful. In this case, I obviously make money, so I'll go ahead and place another $5 trade right away. Option 2, the trade is a loser. In this case, I lose the $5, so what I do is place the same trade, but for double the amount. So if I lost $5, I'll place $10. If I lost $10, now I bet $20, and so on. By doing this, as soon as I get a winning trade, I can make more money than the amount I've lost in the previous losing trades. The reason why this strategy has been so successful for me is that it's virtually impossible to get more than 4 or 5 losing trades in a row. Why? Well, because stock prices never move in a straight line. You can look at any price chart you want, the pattern is always the same. Even if the price of an asset is going up overall, it'll always bounce and go down a bit along the way, just like you can see on this chart. And the opposite is true as well. If the price of an asset is going down overall, it'll always bounce and go up for a bit along the way. So in the end, I always end up with a winning trade very quickly. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's move on to the trading platform so I could show you how it works in real time. First, I click on the 60 seconds tab. As you can see here, you can choose different expiration times for your trade, up to 5 minutes. This lovely feature enables you to create various trading strategies for yourself. For my strategy, I use 60 seconds, so I'll leave the expiry time as it is. Then I make sure that the trade amount is set to $5 and simply start trading. On this chart here, you can see that the price is going up. It's pretty obvious that we're dealing with an uptrend. Therefore, to place my first bet, I need to click on call. Then I click on apply and approve to open the trade. And that's it. When I scroll down, you can see my position in the 60 seconds countdown. In a minute, I'll know whether I win or lose this trade. While we're waiting, let's open another trade on the second chart. I choose an asset with a nice trend. Australian dollar to US dollar looks great. The price is clearly going down. It's an obvious downtrend. Therefore, I make sure that the bet is $5 and I click on put. I then click on apply and approve to open the trade. When I scroll down, you can now see both of my trades, the one we've just opened and the one closing soon. Let's wait a bit. My first trade is now closed and it's a loss. No problem, I'm just going to scroll up and place the exact same bet, except I changed the amount to $10 this time. And there you go. Now let's wait a bit more until the second trade expires. My second trade is now closed, and it's a win. Nice. All I have to do then is place the exact same bet for the amount of $5. Done. My third trade is now closed, and it's a tie, meaning I'm just getting my money back. When that happens, you just place the exact same trade for the exact same amount you placed previously. In this case, $10. Done. Again, let's wait a bit. My fourth trade is now closed, and it's a win. Great. Once again, I'm just going to open the exact same trade for the exact same minimum amount, $5. Done. The fifth trade is almost closed now. That's it, and it's a loss. No problem at all. I'm just going to place another similar trade for double the amount. We were at $10, now we're betting $20. Done. Let's wait for the sixth trade to close. There you go. The sixth trade is now closed, and it's a win. Perfect. You can guess what I'm going to do now. Open the exact same trade for the minimum amount, $5. Done. Waiting for the seventh trade now. Seventh trade closing, and it's a tie. Once again, since the result is a tie, I'm going to place the exact same trade for the exact same amount. Done. Eighth trade almost closed. Closing now, and it's a loss. Again, no worries. I'm just going to place the exact same trade, but for double the amount, $10. Ninth trade closing, and it's a win! Awesome! So, now that I've won, I can go back to the minimum amount, $5, and just do it all over again. Waiting for the 10th trade to close now. Closing now, and it's a loss. No problem at all. I'm just going to place the exact same trade for double the amount, which is $20 in this case. Done. Next trade almost closed. That's it for this one, and it's a win. Great. So, I guess you know what I should be doing now. Go back and place the exact same trade for the minimum amount of $5. Well, we could be doing this all day, but I guess you got the picture by now, right?